Hello everyone, my name is Spandana and today let's talk about AutoDraw and QuickDraw. So first we're gonna search QuickDraw and open the application. Now let's start drawing. Over here they want me to draw a hedgehog in under 20 seconds. So all we have to do is we need to basically draw something and the AI is gonna guess it. Okay, this looks like a bird, but okay. Now we gotta draw a megaphone. Now, see, it's just a fun game where you draw and the computer guesses. Like, you don't need other people to guess what you're doing, right? So, this is really fun, and especially for people who aren't very good at drawing. Okay, so I'm running out of time and it couldn't guess, so it just considered it as wrong. So now it wants me to draw camel. Okay. Oh damn, it guesses, and then it wants me to draw a broom. Okay, now an ocean. Yes, so the AI is able to recognize what you're drawing with its technology and just guesses what you're drawing. It's pretty easy, pretty fun, it's very engaging. Can pass time with this. Okay, so once you're done, it show your analytics, like how you have performed, and once you want to get an idea of how it could have been drawn in other ways, there are a lot of ideas on how you could have done it, and you can also, it just shows you your result. And yeah, it's pretty nice. You can also share your drawings through Facebook and Twitter. You could also play again, example street lights. So yes, now a birthday cake. Okay, so I'm actually done. I'm gonna end, so I'm gonna quit. Now let's go to the second application, which is AutoDraw. Now in AutoDraw, so in QuickDraw, the AI guesses what you were drawing and it's like a game, it's like a challenge, but over here you're free to draw and make your own drawings, use your own creativity. And this like when you do it freehand, it's like messy, right? Like example, I'm drawing a flower which is not very defined, but when I there are options which the AI shows it to us and we can actually choose one which is defined and looks nice, right? Okay, so I'm gonna undo this. Okay, so there are many, you can choose a color. For example, I just want to draw a water, an ocean, a lake. So this is gonna guess it, and let's have this. So there's an option to select. So when you select a particular object, you can select it and adjust its size and also the width, length. And you can also tilt it, right? So that's really nice. And then you could also again go to AutoDraw and draw a boat. I'm gonna draw a boat over here, and the AI is gonna guess what I'm trying to draw and show me the result, and I can select what I like, and then I can select it. And I'm so sorry, I'm gonna select it and modify it the way I want to, right? So I can move it, I can minimize it, maximize it, tilt it, do whatever I want, change its color, make it look nice. And there's another feature where you can fill color, right? So you can fill it, you can make it colorful. So I would like to make my ship red, and you can make it colorful and do whatever you want to do. And there's also a shape option. Okay, there's also a shapes option. You can just click the shape option and create any shape. Okay, right now it's selected in circle, so it's just gonna create a circle. I can choose a triangle and it's gonna create a triangle. I can also select a square, and that I have a square. And there's also an option to type text, your desired text, type the desired text. So I'm gonna type hey. So I can choose whatever color I want, obviously, and I can also select my text. I would like it. There are many options, obviously. I'm gonna just select yellowtail, and I can also choose the size. So that's nice. You can again make it big, make it small, do whatever you want. So yes, that's that. And those are all the features of auto draw. You can have fun, you can literally do whatever you want. You can also, I'm gonna show you like other options, like even complex stuff, like I'm trying to draw a man, but I'm obviously not good at it. So there are many options of yoga and a person playing basketball, which is pretty damn cool. So yeah, there's like these pictures range from A to Z. Like they're so nice and unique, and they're just so nice. Like look at that, that's a baby, that's someone playing hockey. There's hot air balloons, there's everything, there's even a satellite. And this is pretty adverse and versatile and really nice. Kids can play with it, have fun. You could also print them out to color. It's just really fun and nice. So these two applications, AutoDraw and QuickDraw, are really fun. Hope you enjoy and hope you learn something new, and hope you try it out and have fun. Thank you. Have a great day.